So our first stop is the suspension bridge in Jeju City. We've just got off the airplane from the airport. We're here at Jeommeolle Noodles, which is right next to the airport, and we're coming here to eat some noodles. Alright, so we're here for a late breakfast. Ordered on this thing, and we've got some kimchi so far, and we've ordered a few noodles. Here is the gogi gaksu, so pork in noodles, and it's traditional to Jeju. Mix it up. And this is spicy noodles. We're here at the Udo Island ferry terminal, and so basically it's an island off Jeju Island, which is around 15 minutes by boat. So we're gonna go over to Udo Island. Alright, so we've boarded the ship now. There's quite a lot of people here. And about to leave the port to Udo Island. We've arrived at Udo Island. So it's not really, it's quite small actually. The entire island is probably around 2 to 3 km. But yeah, this is Udo Island. We've got off the boat, and now we're gonna hopefully rent something to drive around. So like a bike maybe. And we're gonna have a look around, maybe go to some beaches and hike some mountains around Udo Island. So right now they're going down to go dive for some fish, and they're just going down to scuba dive. It's like a long tradition of them, a lot of them going down without any oxygen, just free diving, and going down into the water and catching fish. This is the lighthouse right now, and we're at the first stop of the Udo Island. So we've stopped at this mountain here and got some desserts and some snacks. So we got some waffles and some ice cream. So Udo Island is quite famous for its peanuts, like especially peanut ice cream. So this is a peanut waffle, and we're just here at this slope. So here we've arrived at the Udo Island cliff, and there's quite a lot of people here. And over down there is a beach, and there's quite a lot of famous shops here that sell ice creams. we're now going down onto the beaches and into the caves. So the tide's not quite high right now, so hopefully it should be fine. So yeah, this is the black sand beach. So the sand here is full of volcanic ash, and yeah, it's one of the few black sand caves. We're about to enter the cliffside now. Alright, so it looks like this. One more cave. Just hike through. Climb a bit. The rocks are pretty big. And there we are. This is inside the cave. It's quite big actually. It's like a tunnel that goes into here. And out there is the sea. Right, so we're handing back this rental bicycle and we're gonna head over to our hotel right now. It's around 4:30 and that's the time when the bicycle's due, so we're gonna go back and head back in. So our next stop is back to Siwapu and heading straight to our hotel. Alright, so here is our hotel room, and it's pretty spacious, and this is the view. That's Udo Island, like from the distance there, and that's about it. We have like a nice sea view. Alright guys, we've arrived at this stir-fried black pork place, and this nice restaurant in here. At night you can't really see anything, but in around that direction is the mountain that we're going to be hiking tomorrow, and it's quite a nice little restaurant, and we're going to see what it is. Alright, so here we have some vegetables, and over here for the fried so we have some clams and some pork and some abalone. And this is cooking right now. You can see it under the dish.